Xiaomi has announced the launch of its January Service Week promotion in China, which runs from January to January 7. The campaign includes a 20% discount on battery replacement services for a wide range of smartphones, with discounted prices starting at 79 yuan and 20 fen, $11.32. According to the company, a total of 54 models are eligible for the discount. These include flagship devices such as the Xiaomi 10 series, Xiaomi 11 series, Xiaomi 12 series, and Xiaomi 15 series. The Xiaomi Mix Fold is also part of the program. On the Redmi side, supported models include the Redmi 12 series, Redmi Note 10 series, and Redmi K80 series. In addition to battery replacements, Xiaomi is also offering cleaning and maintenance services during the week-long campaign. These include air conditioner cleaning packages, deep laptop cleaning, and servicing for smart home appliances. Xiaomi's after-sales team stated that battery degradation is a normal process that occurs over time as charge cycles decrease. The company advised users not to worry excessively if their battery performance drops gradually and to consider replacement based on actual usage. For cases involving abnormal degradation, such as damage caused by overcharging, extreme temperatures, or external impact, Xiaomi recommends addressing the issue immediately or seeking professional repair. The company also shared tips for maintaining better battery health. It advised users to avoid charging devices in very hot or cold environments and to follow proper charging practices to help extend battery life.